Welcome back. The Senior Center has a lot going on, as always, and we have Shirley and Cherie here to tell us more about it. Now, you know, we were just talking before we came back about food and how quickly everything's come and gone. I mean, but now you've got a whole plethora of things to do for December.
Oh, December's full.
Is it full?
It is
and
full
of crazy things. So before we start that, though, how's the renovation coming along?
The renovation is coming along. We're finished. A couple little things here and there, but we had our opening on Monday.
You did? How'd that go?
You know, it went well.
Did you get a lot of good feedback?
We got some really good feedback.
Wonderful.
So we've got to tweak a couple more things, but we just want to, you know, thank everybody for hanging in there with us for 3 weeks. We have never, ever, ever been closed that long. No. We just, you know, this is home. The Senior Center is home away from home for a lot of seniors, and we understand that we need to continue to feed them and do the programs that we have. So the staff worked, but we were sad when we had to close the doors. But we did some renovations. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do to keep things up. And so we appreciate everybody's understanding, and the Senior Center looks really, really nice.
Wonderful. So if you haven't seen it, definitely get out there and
Yes.
check it out.
Yes,
Well, good.
absolutely.
Well, good. So what are some of the first things you'd like to talk about today?
We have so many things going on in the month of December. I'm only going to touch on a few of them because there are so many. We were closed for 3 weeks.
Right.
So we are, like you were saying, we're just chock full of fun things to do in the month of December. So I'll start out with Hanukkah. Our Hanukkah celebration is on December 3rd. So invite your friends, come over, eat some great food, and we'll celebrate that one. We also have a few others. There is Country Christmas with Cowboy Jack is coming back.
Oh, is he?
He was very popular last time he was there. So we're again inviting everybody to come down and get rocking and get your Country Christmas on. And
well, refresh my memory. What will that entail? Is it a party? Is it a dance?
It's lunch. Come down for lunch.
And you'll
have lunch.
Yeah. Okay.
And Cowboy Jack is gonna play the guitar and walk around, and everybody can sing and have a good time.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Perfect. That sounds fun.
We're having a poinsettia day, so everybody has a chance to win a free poinsettia. Again, lunch. On that day, I think it's lasagna. So come down for lunch, have some lasagna. We're doing a Cookies and Carols with the Harmonaires. That's on December 14th. So come down and sing along. They're great. I don't know if you've seen the Harmonaires before. It is, how do you describe that? Just a chorus of women who just love to sing, and they, you know, they're very entertaining. And again, have some cookies and sing along to some Christmas songs.
Excellent.
And then, of course, we have our big Christmas celebration on Friday, December 21st.
Okay.
And that's, I mean, again, that was just a few of them, but there are so many.
Well,
that
and
are
now
going
it's something
on,
every week, so I'm sure you can fill every day. And I'm sorry, everything you've mentioned has food. You have to stop that.
It's really
Everything's mentioning food, right?
Elvis.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. Oh my God, how could I forget? We're having Elvis come down. So Elvis is going to be in the building on December 20th.
Okay.
And
it's phenomenal.
Phenomenal. If anyone has seen it, that is something you have to come down for.
So I would assume that is a singing performance.
Yes, this man,
like no other.
This man belongs in Las Vegas. He is phenomenal, and he's gonna sing some Christmas songs and some of his regular Elvis. But he's, I mean, you just stand there, and if you walk out of the room and say, that is Elvis Presley.
Wow.
That is
Where'd
Elvis
you guys
Presley.
find him?
He, you know what, he's been with us for a while. I don't remember how we found him, but probably at a bar somewhere.
Maybe. Wow. Shirley, you really get out.
Friday nights I troll the streets.
She does, looking for talent.
Yes.
He's good talent. He's good talent. Well, good thing you got him back again this year.
Yeah,
everybody will be happy. Excellent.
Elvis is in the building that day. Do not.
That's
when
come on
you
over.
can't miss.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Let me know when he's going to be there.
Yes, December 20th.
What did you say, December 20th?
20th.
And what time would that be at?
11:30.
11:30.
No, we'll have you
12:30.
over because you guys.
Yeah,
will
maybe
just
we'll come on over and catch a couple of
you'll
glimpses of
be
him.
blown away. You'll be blown away. I drool.
Oh, wow. Wow. Is this the young Elvis or the older Elvis?
It's the young
the young Elvis.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
Well, sounds like a fun
great.
time.
Yes.
Excellent.
We're always having fun.
You guys
Always
are,
having
and
fun.
you always provide so many wonderful things and events and activities. Why would you go anywhere else?
Exactly. You know, the Senior Center is is home away from home for a lot of seniors.
Absolutely.
And it's really important for us, especially at the holidays. Like today is our Thanksgiving luncheon. Unfortunately, we're full. But you know, a lot of our seniors will not have Thanksgiving with family, or Christmas, or New Year's Eve, or Hanukkah. So we want to provide that special day where they can say, you know, I did get to go to a Hanukkah dinner. I did get to have Thanksgiving. It's really important for us to do that. And the way that we can do it is, obviously, as everybody knows in the community, we're a nonprofit organization, Age Well Senior Services. So this is the time of year, if you're giving to a charity, please keep us in mind, because we really need to keep our doors open. We serve so many people, and we do so many good things behind the scenes that no one understands and knows. So keep us in your thoughts.
Right.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Any last words?
No, we just invite everybody to come down.
Okay. Well,
Check
good
it
luck
out.
with your.
Come down, grab our newsletter.
Grab the newsletter. This
Newsletter.
thing is packed with lots of stuff, cookies, and there's the country Christmas one.
That's right.
So perfect. So you guys have everything in here, so you can get these at the senior center.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Perfect. Well, thank you
Absolutely.
again,
Absolutely.
and have a happy Thanksgiving
You
to you
too.
guys,
You
and
too,
good
Lisa.
luck with the
Thank you.
luncheon today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. And don't forget that the Senior Center is always there for you as a home away from home, as Shirley puts it. We'll be right back after this.